Hello guys, I'm here in Lake Louise. So we came really early in the morning, so that's why we found lots of parking spot here. So I'll show you guys later on, like this parking will be full, and then if the parking is full, you have to park all the way over there and then come with a shuttle. So let's go and see the beautiful lake there, and we're gonna be doing hiking today. So it's gonna be 10-kilometer hiking. So we'll be going to the tea house up there, and I'll show you some more detail over there, guys. Please. Oh my god, look at those Rockies, guys. Looks so awesome and beautiful. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Let's go. Let's find out what we have here, right? Where? This way?
4 kilometers away.
Okay.
Lake Agnes 4 यता यही साइड यताबाट यता देखाउ हैन उता पनि छ उता अरु छन् अरु अलि सर्ट ट्रेल उता रहेछ अलिकति लामो यो रहेछ बिग हाई भन्ने पनि यतै रहेछ तर बिग बी हाई भन्ने रहेछ
Looks so nice, guys. Looks beautiful. Look guys, this is Fairmont Hotel at Lake Louise. So you guys can stay in this hotel, and then you'll have beautiful view over here for the Lake Louise. See the view? Nice. Okay, our trail starts here, so we'll be going up. Wow, guys, looks awesome. यहाँ हेर न बुढी कस्तो छ के क्लीन नाइस वाटर Lake Agnes. Lake Agnes. Little chilly this morning, eh?
Yeah.
Right?
Whoa, what a
looks beautiful. More up you go, you'll see more beautiful mountains here.
Majestic.
Oh my god, eh? Looks so nice, eh?
अहिले त फिन्सिन भाचेर गर्नुपर्छ बोटिङ चिसो छ टेक्नै सकिन्छ अनि
त्यही त ए म त किन भन्नु पर्ने ठाडै छ नि हो त
ए बिग बिहाइभ रमाइलो रहेछ बिग बिहाइभसम्म
बिग बिहाइभ लेक एग्नेस जाने हो क्या हामी
त्यही त त्यहाँबाट
बिग बिहाइभ पनि जाने हो We're almost there. 1.5 kilometer maybe. Maybe 1.5 kilometer more. I can check for you. 28 minutes. 28 minutes more, 1.5 kilometer. This is beautiful tea house here. Thank you. Yeah. So we're gonna go and try some tea over there. Yeah. Wow, this is the big waterfall here. Wow, looks like beautiful, nice lake here. Susma, look at there. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Wow, guys. This is one of the must visit place in Alberta, in Banff. So from Lake Louise, you have to do hiking. So this is about like a 10-kilometer hike, and we are at Lake Agnes, back and forth 10 kilometers, not too bad. So nice. Guys, we are finally here at the tea house. So this is the tea house at Lake Agnes. So we have seen like some people were inside before, but because of COVID, I don't think so. They have we can go inside. I'm not quite sure. Let me check. Doesn't look like we can go in. But we can order the tea from here, and there is a tea house, so lots of people will come and they just return from the tea house. But we have decided to go up to Big Beehive, so that is 1.6 kilometer far from here. So we are heading towards the Big Beehive here. So nice, right? So awesome. Having lots of fun. So I think we hiked like a 5 kilometer almost already, and we are going another 1.6 kilometer further. So while returning, it will be almost 11 kilometer. Wow. I think that is, yeah, little snow here.
Snow in July.
Beautiful place, guys. I'm having lots of fun. I'm really enjoying. I don't know, like before couple of hiking, I never wanted to go outdoor, but now I'm an outdoor guy, guys. I love lakes, I love mountains, I love Mother Nature. Wow, so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Hey guys, we are going all the way up to there.
भाउजू बोल्नु त.
Baju! We are coming!
See, our cousins, they're so athletic. They're already there
They're already there.
without any hiking sticks.
Oh my god. Okay.
So we have to keep up with them now.
Yeah, exactly. So let's.
Especially me, because I'm
Okay.
not good at this.
Let's go, right?
Yeah. तर कहाँसम्म छ?
Okay. Is that the devil's thumb? You said? Okay, that's the devil's thumb, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you a really nice view over here. Hey, can you guess what is that? That is Fairmont Hotel from here, Big High. So we started hiking from there, so you can see our parking spot there. So we start hiking all the way from that corner, from that side of the Lake Louise, and we started hiking all the way up to the tea house, and then from the tea house we came here up to the Big Hive. So
Big Beehive.
Big Beehive. So thank you for correcting. So the view looks so awesome, so beautiful, so gorgeous from here, guys. So yeah, if you can, try to come here, see beautiful mountains. Wow, Lake Louise looks so awesome and beautiful from the top over here. So now we are planning to go back. I think it will take about 3-4 hours to go down there, and then we will be kayaking over there. So our plan is to kayak right over there, guys. So let's see. Now I can show you Fairmont in zooms. Wow. See, I can clearly see the Fairmont from here, right? Wow. Oh my god, we're gonna be going and kayaking over there. I'm super excited, guys. So, thank you for staying with us. So peaceful here. So awesome.
Fresh air.
So fresh here. Oh my god. I'm feeling like I'm in heaven in earth. Okay. While returning, we're coming different way from Big Hive. So this is another route to Lake Louise. So other way. So I'm very excited. So here looks very beautiful from this way also. If you guys don't want to go all the way up, then you can simply come here and have fun.